Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, big up and respect, you know. Alright, so Sting 2022 is being talked about a lot on social media recently. You see me? I say, obviously, because certain things happen. You see me? In my point of view, some people seems like they're disappointed with the way Sting happen. All kind of different things have been said about Sting. See? Now, Valiant, one of the most talked about musicians within the country of Jamaica, right about now, say some things about Sting in a video that I saw. I mean, let me play a piece of this video so you can hear some of the things that he said about that event that is known as Sting. Listen.
Sting is unprofessional, bro.
That's what it is.
Yeah, bro. That's a joke thing, bro.
Yeah,
Me and Tachik there already before the stage. Big joke. And we never get to perform when we want to perform. Bro, come on. You can see two superstars. Not even two. Enough superstars up on the stage. I want to give one time.
So you hear the things that when you say viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, in my point of view, I think he might talk about who's to ever responsible for certain things that happen on Sting. Because Sting is not a person. You see me? I say Sting is an event. Yeah, so my people, and a real Mr. Valiant on top of a motor vehicle in a video. And in the point of the motor vehicle, I sing songs, and there was a large amount of persons, basically that's a crowd. They round the motor vehicle while they on the motor vehicle sing parts or pieces of his song them, and people are gravitate to the things that we must say, and people all sing certain parts and songs them and support. Me I tell you my people, that was a good look. I like that look there. I respect what Valiant do this, so you see. But anyways, my people, and a real Sting is one of the most talked about event recently. Yes, I mean I say, and you know, I'm gonna move on to a topic right about now, and this is the topic about Queenie versus Amari. You see me? Yeah. So, me see a video on social media. As a matter of fact, Amari talk about some of the things that happened on that night of the event that is known as Sting. See? So when I listen to some of the things that Amari said in a video about certain things that happened on that night of the event that is known as Sting, viewers and subscribers. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Let's say it wasn't planned by me, right? I think that the way the security guards handled me, it's so up because they all want the excitement, yet at the same time they misangled me to make it look like, oh, we don't want the excitement. Sting needs the excitement. You understand? I don't think they should have grabbed me by my neck. What? There was no reason for that, sir. And you're gonna answer to my God in regards to grabbing me by my neck. You know, as a female, that's a part that hurts me. You know, the way they angled little Amari, because everybody called me Slimmers in Jamaica because I've gotten so small. Okay. You know, that part brought back memories and domestic violence and everything else. And the way I truly wanted to entertain the people after, but the way they kept the mic from me, and I kept like saying, give me the mic, and they wouldn't give the mic to me. So the way that they tricked me now was when Queenie grabbed off the wig, I went and sit and said, okay, let Queenie do her part, then I'll come back to my part, and while she's doing her part, I'm gonna sit waiting for Destiny to bring back my wig, cause y'all know I have a back problem. So I was looking for something to sit on, so I sat on the platform. Okay. That definitely shows that I'm not gone. Yeah. If I wanted to like abandon the audience, I wouldn't have sat on the platform. So while I was on the platform, the guy basically let the people think that I had abandoned the show. You know, the words that he used, it was happening so fast, but he was basically telling them that I've abandoned the show, and if they have Queenie to perform, do they want her to perform? So by now, he had turned the audience totally against me, and they felt like I betrayed them. They spent their money to see me. So by the time I got off the I didn't see Desi, not knowing that the security guards had put her out so that she can't help me. And then they gave Queenie the mic. They moved real fast. They gave Queenie the mic, and they told the people that I don't want to perform and that Queenie's willing to perform. And then they decide to nail it. Before giving me a chance, they said, have you decided a winner? And the people say yes, and they say Queenie or Amari. How can Amari be a winner? Amari never got the chance to perform. All I did was put on the fight to bring the excitement to Sting, that Sting will be remembered, you know, for 2022. But at least, you know, in return for that, as a reward, y'all should have, number one, not put your hands on me, because no.
I'm not telling my people, but on a real still, you have some people still I say Amari. You know what I mean? Some people still say Amari. Remember, no, you have people who have them favorites. You see me? Yeah, so the people, tell me what you think about some of the things that Amari said in that video. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? You can let me know what you think about the whole situation when it comes down to Sting. And if you don't know, well, during performance, Queenie somewhat pulled off Amari's wig from off of her head and so forth. I post a previous video about that situation. You can check the link at the end of the video, and if you click the link, that link will take you to a previous video that might give you some form of better understanding about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, alright, now here's a piece of video that shows certain things that happened on the night of Sting. You see me? Yeah, you can hear Queenie basically singing a certain song in this video, my people. But I like to tell me what I think about this. Observe. Just tell me what you think.
Queen of Hearts, and she's Queen of Soul. Amari, I've got nothing against you. I love you. Station beat with a kick. From me to you, Amari, won't you sing your love with me?
People, let me know what you think, because I'm not sure what to say about that part of certain things that happen at Sting. You see me? I say, to be honest, some comments on social media about that video seems as if some people somewhat disappointed about Sting or so forth, while some people find it exciting. I just saw mix up. Alright? Now, I see a post on an Instagram page that is used by the well-known musician who goes by the name of Bounty Killer. And in my point of view, Bounty Killer made a post on social media with words pertaining to Sting. Now, I'm going to read some words from that post to you, my viewers and subscribers. And of course, I'm going into the comment section as well. You understand? However, I want to see with me. Yeah, if me miss out any words, I may mispronounce any words, you see me, see with me, because it's not like I'm a Harvard student and me never gonna university, alright? So see with me, let's try to read words from this post to you, my viewers and subscribers, and comment section as well. Alright, so some of the words in the post that I saw said, that flopped. Sting last night while dancehall is being stuck in a barrel and losing its appeal to the world. Watch soca in Jamaica, believe it. Or if we don't take heed and try to fix the problem right now, soca will be even bigger than dancehall. YRS to come. Here, sad, but it's the truth. Alright, so I'm going to the comment section with people. See, here's a comment from Lady Ann 1. Lady Ann, big up yourself. See, whose fault is it? The gatekeeper and the crab in a barrel mentality. That's why it running away from us. Wow. Okay, big up Lady Ann. Good comment. Another comment say, well, Killer, things change. I would never expect this, but the people wanna dance and party. Alright. So another comment from someone say, bro, they should have just cancelled. Sting is a iconic show we all grew up on, and to see it now with no disrespect to any artist, some young blood, most deaf showed they will be here for the win, and we appreciate them. So here's a comment from Major Hype. Yeah, Major Hype, big up yourself. So here's a comment now, viewers and subscribers. Them gone from Bounty and Beanie Clash, Movado and Cartel to Queenie and Amari. Joke thing. I wonder if Major Hype are going to do any farmers video about this whole thing. See? So, in a reply, Ground Godzilla, or you can say the person who made the post on social media, basically in a reply say, if some in the case, they should have booked Major Hype and Slick White Line. Full stop. Plus, Sting is a comedy and they wasn't even funny at all. PPL cussing bad words and fighting on stage, you found that funny? Alright, that comment really have me thinking the people, may I tell you. Alright, you know what? So another comment from someone said, this is not true. Legend Dancehall is larger than life. There is more versatility in dancehall than in soca. Soca is the sound of choice for carnivals because of the hype and the fast drums. Each GENRE has its place. Again, me never gonna university. Alright, so let me say me read some more viewers and subscribers from the thing, and I skip that comment there, skip that comment there. Look on the commenter now, see, listen to the commenter. Soca doesn't promote a set of killing and head tap and marrow shootout etc. Jamaica could do with some love and the vibes Soca brings. Wow. I end it right there, some people. Tell me what to think about that part there in that comment there. So I say, yeah, my people, but on a real low, it look like some people disappointed with the way this thing turned out, while you have some people basically alright with the way the whole thing set. Some people look like there's excitement and love. So I say, but you, my viewers, subscribers, I would like to know what you think about all of the artists or the artists, them performance, that thing. Let me know what you think, yeah, my people. You can ask me certain questions in the comment section. I don't want to say certain things in this video pertaining to which sets of musicians or artists may think do the best performance. Me tell in the comment section if you ask me. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.